Well, hello. Just a quick video. As you know, we've been having troubles with our battery connections. Thought we got it sorted. Switched from the quick release clips, which were disconnecting all the time, to the proper clips for the battery. Came to the Caravan today and bring a couple of things back to it because we're going away in a couple of weeks. And I tested the battery power and it was really low, because no matter what you do in this Caravan, even if you've got everything turned off, there's still a drain on the battery. So I thought, I'm going to have to charge this because we're going away a couple of weeks. If it's too low, the battery will either go dead soon and we won't be able to motor mover it, or it'll just wreck the battery. So I lifted the battery compartment up to have a look, and I just lifted one of the little plastic covers that cover the battery connections, and the cables came straight out. So the new connections weren't much good either. So I've took the battery home, got that on charge, and I've put the old quick release clamps back on the battery, because at least they're easy to attach and reattach. So I'm just going to have to see how that goes. It should be an absolute pain, this, to be honest. What I'm thinking of doing is, and it was suggested by one of our viewers, the best thing to do would be to either get, well, if loads of viewers suggested that we get solar panels on, then we'd have to worry about taking the battery in and out, which is really cool. But I'm just putting it on now, and it'll cost a fortune, and putting holes in the roof and everything else. So what someone else suggested was get one of those like mobile battery power bank things. Now what we could do is charge it home and then leave it over the won't want to top it every so often, but just leave it connected in the Caravan to the battery, and use that to constantly just keep the battery topped up, so that whatever's draining the power is just getting topped up again by one of those things, you know, like the Jackeries and the Bluettis and all that sort of stuff. So we're having a look around to see if we can get one. They are quite expensive, not quite as expensive as solar panels, and a bit less intrusive. So if anybody knows of any good deals of any, or if there's any manufacturers out there or people that make one on us to test out their models, big time YouTubers now. So yeah, so I put the old quick release clamps on and just see how they go. Then once the battery's charged at home, I'll put the battery back in, and we'll just have to take it from there and see what goes on. This is a never-ending saga. I just don't like that battery hole in the floor. It just seems so restrictive, and it seems to crush it. Maybe it's not probably if you leave your battery in there all the time, it's just nicely connected, it just sits there. But because we're in storage and something drains the battery, even when you turn everything off, something drains the battery. I like to, especially over winter time, or we're not going to use it for a couple of months, I like to top the battery up at home, just to give it, it's a battery conditioner as well, so just to keep it in good nick. So we'll just have to see how that goes. But just a quick update, the never-ending battery saga. And coming up soon, we've got a trip away, and we're also going to NEC, so keep an eye out for those videos. Anyway, thanks for watching. Make sure you subscribe to the channel, make sure you like, make sure you spread the word, and make sure you watch this video just here, that one there.